Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Pratama. I am from the Technocrat Indonesian University, Faculty of Economic and Business Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about Value Added Tax or VAT. Definition of VAT. Value-added tax or VAT is a tax imposed on the consumption of goods and services within the customs area of Indonesia. VAT is an indirect tax, meaning it is collected by business or sellers on and borne by the final consumers. The tax is imposed on every step where value is added in the production and distribution chain. Legal basis of VAT. Law No. 8 of 1983 on value added tax on goods and service and sales tax on luxury goods as last amended by Law No. 7 of 2021 harmonized tax law. Government Regulation No. 44 of 2022 on VAT implementation. Minister of Finance Regulation or PMK No. 71, PMK 03 2022 regarding VAT collector, Director General of Tax Regulation PR 03 PG 2022 on electronic tax invoice. Characteristic of VAT. Objective tax depends on the object being taxed, goods or service, not on the taxpayer. Indirect tax paid by the consumer but collected and remitted by the business. Multi-stake levy imposed at each stake of production and distribution. Credit mechanism use the input-output tax credit method. VAT subjects and objects. Subjects taxable entrepreneurs, business that deliver taxable goods and or service and are registered for VAT purpose. Objects taxable transaction. Delivery of taxable goods within Indonesia. Delivery of taxable service. Import of taxable goods. Utilization of intangible goods or service from abroad, export of goods and service by PKP. Non-taxable goods and service, goods not subject to VAT. Natural resource directly obtained from their resources, essential goods, food and beverage served in restaurants and hotels, currency, gold bars, and securities. Service not subject to VAT. Education service, health service, religious service, financial and insurance service, social and postal service. Hot rates, rate based on harmonized tax law before April 1, 2022, 10%. April 1, 2022 until December 31, 2024, 11%. Starting January 1, 2025, planned 12%. Adjustable by government. Not export of taxable goods or service, 0% VAT. Taxable entrepreneurs or PKP. Definition: a taxable entrepreneurs is a business entity or individual who delivers taxable goods or service and has been registered by the Directorate General of Tax. Obligation of PKP: collect, deposit, and report VAT, issues electronic tax invoice, submit monthly VAT returns. VAT mechanism: input-output tax. Input tax: VAT paid on purchase of goods or service. Output tax: VAT collected on sales of goods or service. VAT payable: output tax, input tax. If output exceed input, paid to government. If input exceed output, carry forward or refund. Example of VAT calculation. Example: sales value 100 million rupiah, purchase 16 million rupiah, including 11% VAT. Steps output VAT 11% by 100 million. The result 11 million. Input VAT 11% by 16 million divided 111%. The result 5,945,945. VAT payable 11 million minus 5,955,955. The result 5,054, 5,054,055. Tax invoice. A tax invoice is official proof of what collection made by a PKP upon delivering taxable goods service. Types output types. 1. Output tax invoice. 2. Input tax invoice. 3. Cancelled invoice. 4. Replacement invoice. Each invoice must be issued through the e-factor system and must include seller and buyer information, type of good or service, transaction value, VAT amount. VAT reporting. Monthly VAT return must be submitted no later than the 13th of the following months. Filing is done electronically via e-factor or DGP online. Required attachment, tax invoice, payment proof, VAT summary report. VAT sanction, type of violation, failure to issue a tax invoice, penalty 2% of the tax base. Late payment, penalty 2% interest per month. Late filing of VAT return, penalty by 15,000 rupiah fine. False or incomplete reporting, penalty administrative and or criminal tax sanction. Recent update 2025-2020. Recent update 2024-2025. Planet VAT rate increased to 12% effective January 1, 2025. Broader VAT coverage including digital economy and online platform. Mandatory use of e-factur 3.2 and unified e-bupot system for all PKPs. Conclusion: VAT is a major source of state revenue in Indonesia. It is applied to the consumption of goods and services domestically. It follows a credit method, input-output tax system. Proper compliance and accurate reporting are essential to avoid sanction. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.